So hello and welcome once again to NFT Central, the place where we review every single NFT that you might not have realized even existed, or perhaps you did realize it existed, but you overlooked it, thinking that it wouldn't give you any type of gain, and that's your mistake. But don't worry, we're here for you. We're here to actually bring you every single one of those that can give you very nice gains, or perhaps they have amazing designs, nice lore, you name it. In this case, I'm going to talk about a very specific project that it already is sold out with minting, but don't worry. Do not worry about this little sign that you see here on their website that says sold out, because you have other ways of getting your hands on some Soul Monkey University characters. Don't worry a single bit. Now, if I visit soulanalysis.com, that I really encourage you to check out because it's amazing. Soul Monkey University with 3,333 units has a market cap of more than $1 million, with a floor price of 1.1 solana and an average price of 2.1 solana. They have grown in a price percentage change of 21% and a volume percentage change of 166%, with a volume in the last 7 days of almost 500,000. So the percentage of tokens listed is 26% for those who want these little numbers mentioned, and I have something to show you, not only because they're very promising gain wise, but also because they're very much active all the time. If I go to the Twitter right here, you can tell that they have a lot of things right now. They have almost 5,000 followers. They have been around since October 2021. It is quite a humble following, but they still have a lot of content. They do say that they are sold out. This happened barely 2 days ago, as of the making of this video, which is on the 24th. Merry Christmas, by the way. And it says that all 3,333 students are now enrolled at SMU, and we are live on Magic Eden NFT if you missed entry applications first time around. So don't worry if you missed the minting, there they are. So magiceden.io/marketplace/solana_monkey_university is a proper link if you want to visit them, and we're going to do that in a single moment. So get it now before school fees moon. So this is a pin tweet which was 2 days ago, but look at this. Ho ho ho, the gifts keep coming. So they have some giveaways, and this happened barely an hour ago. Oh, there you go. You have a new tweet 8 minutes right when I was recording this, and they are actually showing off right here 11 minutes ago how they are doing on the Solana, the Solanalysis website. So they're constantly updating. That was amazing timing. 1,000 retweets, and we'll give away a Panthers ATM as well, which is another type of NFT. Oh, that's simply amazing. A lot of giveaways, a lot of attention, and quite an active community. What else do you want? So let's visit the website, shall we? It says a collection of 3K333 Solana monkeys turning up and making memories at the university. You can visit the Discord, you can visit the Twitter, and of course they tell you that they are sold out. Now, Discord also active. What do they have here? Well, of course, they have a nice demonstration of all the designs that they possess, like any nice NFT website, as it should be, and they have some information about them, the gallery, and the roadmap, of course. If I click on this, they tell you that the Solana ecosystem is growing extremely fast, with newcomers to the space every day, many of whom are priced out of the OG blue-chip projects purely by lack of timing when they discover Solana NFTs. SMU appreciates all of the university's alumni who have moved on to create their monkey businesses, and we are now welcoming a new, equally awesome community of Solana monkeys. Sounds good to me. So, which one will you pick? An insane, intelligent, rowdy, athletic, geeky, cool, funny, and dangerous new class of Solana monkeys at university. It's funny how I read all of this straight from the get-go, but then I just stumbled with Solana. That's funny. So you have more description about what they have here in case you're more interested about that, which I really encourage you to read, because they explain that on the 16th of December at 8 p.m. UTC, this amount of monkeys, new students will enroll into the Solana Monkey University. The minting has passed, but remember, you can still get them. Each SMU student is a unique and programmatically generated 3D monkey PFP. There are millions of possible combinations generated from 7 attribute categories, including background, monkey type, clothes, hats, mouth, eyes, and ears. You have a lot of variation here. So whilst we have been inspired by a number of projects, the biggest inspiration is from the SMBs. None of our NFTs will be one-on-one replications of SMBs unless requested by the original SMB holder, and as a recognition to the original project, following launch will be airdropping SMBs the yearbook, as they call it, version of their monkey. So that's quite interesting. Here you have a lot of designs, a lot of examples. You can have an officer, you can have a gang member, you can have a military, Roman, I think that's Mexican, a firefighter, a detective, well, you name it, they have a lot of things. So scrolling down, we have what every single NFT with a proper website has, which is a roadmap. They have the launch, in case you're interested. They have this. We will also conduct an airdrop of honorary SMBs. Oh, that's very nice. Then they have the student airdrops, another interesting thing. Look at this. Amazing design. The token staking and governance, the PvP, P2E, NFT game, because nowadays NFTs are just dipping into the gaming industry. It's, yeah. I think that's getting more and more recognition, to be honest with you. NFTs are no longer just a little image, which on its own is no joke at all, but now they're even adding games on top of it with P2E services, which is amazing. So they have P2E, PvP, and a lot of things planned for the future. Look at this, even with grenades. I love how you have different, like a can, a flashbang, a smoke grenade, and then just a bomb, a plain cartoon bomb. I love it. I love it when designs get like a certain aesthetic and they just go full cartoonish. I love it. So in case you have more questions, you have the FAQs like any single NFT website should have. And if you scroll down, you have nothing. You have the Twitter and you have the Discord link. But that should be more than enough for you. Now, even though I showed you every single thing, of course, you might have realized that I went a little fast on those details. That is because I really encourage you to come and do your own research. After all, every single YouTube video that you see regarding this subject is no official financial advice. It's just me bringing you my ideas and my, well, thoughts of what can be good for you, gain-wise, NFT design-wise, etc. But with that said, this was NFT Central. I hope this video has been useful for you and you enjoyed it. Have a lot of fun reading this Twitter page and this website because it has a lot of interesting things. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.